Hello guys, welcome to my Object-Oriented Minesweeper Part 1. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to set up Maven and Git and how to work with the code in GitHub for this project. So first, if you don't have Maven installed, go over here and follow the instructions. Download the archive, unzip it, add the bin directory to the path system variable, and make sure everything is working by trying mvn-v in your command shell. Let's go ahead and do that. So mvn-v. If you see the installed Maven version, you are good to go. Next, let's go and check out the installation for Git. There are many ways how to use Git locally, and I'm assuming you have already worked with that. If not, go to this link and find the download for your system. Next, make sure you have Git CMD and Git GUI installed. These are the Git tools I'll be using for this tutorial, as they are very easy and won't distract you with too much Git details. So just to verify, Git GUI and Git CMD. Let's see now how we can work efficiently in GitHub during the course of this video series. I'll use just the basic Git commands in case you have difficulties understanding them. You can always check them out in a couple of minutes and you shouldn't have any problem with them. Go to my profile in GitHub and search for the Object-Oriented Minesweeper repository. Find the download link of the repository right here. In fact, we're going to go ahead and clone it in our system just for testing. So open up Git CMD. Let's create a test directory and let's clone our repository from Git. Okay. So if you see, we have here the Object-Oriented Minesweeper repository. And we are now in the Object-Oriented repository as a Git, meaning that we can use all the Git commands over here. Maven holds the dependencies and configuration in a file called pom.xml. If you open up that file, the important dependencies are the JavaFX dependency and the Maven compiler plugin, which supports us Java 8, meaning we'll have full features and most importantly the Lambda expressions we need. Now, regarding the methodology, I'll be creating one branch for each part, meaning that part 1 corresponds to the first video of this series. Okay, so just to give you an example, I've opened that Git CMD or Git Bash. I've also opened Eclipse IDE, and I'm now trying to switch to the first part, which means to the part with branch part 1. First of all, we do a Git Fetch, just to make sure that I haven't changed something in the remote. Okay, then we check out the first part. Again, just to make sure, we do a git pull in case you have some changes locally. And that's it. Now, to do a Maven clean install, we just use this simple command and Maven will update all its dependencies and you'll have the project runnable in Eclipse. Meanwhile, you can open the project in Eclipse as I have right here. You can see the differences that the checkout part 1 will cause. So you have to do this at the end of each part just to make sure that you have the latest code over there and you haven't missed anything during the video. That's it. The build successful tells us that everything is correct and it's runnable. You can see that the classes are changed right now. We have the first version of, let's say, our project. Okay, that was it for this video. We'll continue to the next one, understanding Minesweeper game logic.